Hello, everyone. Welcome to Sumo Logic Academy, and thank you for joining us. I'm Mark Fulton, the Director of Training here at Sumo Logic. In this video, we'll walk through how you can take advantage of our diverse learning and certification offerings to help you maximize your investment in the Sumo Logic platform. Education is your key to unlock Sumo, whether you are investigating incidents in Cloud SIM as part of your daily SOC routine, or a DevOps engineer managing infrastructure, an admin, or any other role touching a Sumo use case. Our training has what you need to be successful. Whether you're onboarding or looking to adopt an advanced use case, we have content and delivery methods to meet your needs and schedule. We strive to provide engaging, relevant content. All our classes and workshops include hands-on labs in our training environment, whether you're self-paced in our learning portal or joining one of our complimentary live public classes. They're put together behind the scenes by our expert instructional designers. Once you're ready to get certified, we're proud to partner with Criterion to deliver secure, live proctored exams and Credly badges to reward your investment and effort in training. So let's get started. If you're not there already, navigate to our training webpage at sumologic.com/learn/training or follow this workflow in our navbar here. At the top, you can see our catalog. This links to a brochure that has a handy view of all of our programs and offerings that is easy to share and reference. Alongside that, our FAQs. Let's move through the website to check out everything in detail. In our accordion, we've summarized our key offerings with handy links, many of which are complementary. Sumo Logic Academy is unique in that we offer virtual instructor-led live classes for many of our courses and workshops totally free of charge. Check here for our schedule and sign up for as many classes as you'd like. If you have a larger team to enable on Sumo Logic and would prefer a dedicated class, we are pleased to offer private training delivered by our dedicated instruction team at very competitive rates, both for virtual and on-site offerings. Next, we'll take a look at our self-paced learning, a great option if you'd like more flexibility or time to complete your course. The self-paced portal is easy to access from the Sumo platform. Just go to the home page, click the Learn tab, and then Learning Hub start here. The LMS will now open. Click Become a Sumo Logic Expert to access our self-paced courses, along with instructions to access the lab environment for hands-on. You can also click Recorded Live Training to view recordings of live classes. Going back to our website, in the certifications section, you can see a list of our certs currently on offer. We offer courses, both self-paced and instructor-led, for all badges. In addition, take a look at the training brochure for a view on additional workshops that we have on offer. Underneath the certification badges and their course descriptions, you'll find quick key points to note on our program. Full details can be found by clicking on the Program FAQ link. And finally, take a look at our micro lessons offering walkthroughs of product features to quickly get you going. You'll find these embedded contextually in our tech docs, as well as this handy channel view. If you have any questions, issues, or feedback, feel free to reach out to us anytime. We're constantly looking to improve, and your feedback on our training is invaluable. Thank you, and wishing happy learning ahead from the entire training team here at Sumo.